Alright, good morning everybody. The time is 11:34 a.m. Nigerian time. In our previous video, we talked about the possibility of British pounds USD, which is the cable trending into this bullish order block. Then after that, we could decide to see what smart money is after. But you can see from all the indication, price almost got there, but it never did. Price traded to this high, which we've been able to frame this high. We've been able to frame this high to be a 4-hour bullish order block, right? This is a 4-hour bearish order block rather. If you use a Fibonacci, this is an optimum trade entry. A Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low. You can see everything perfectly aligned. Take a look at this. Not some randomness out there. There's an algorithm behind this thing. Take a look. Can't you see this? So that's what I'm trying to tell us about. Now, in my very first video on this YouTube channel, I talked about these highs, these relative equal lows as a target. Now I'm very much convinced that I'm optimistic, rather I would like to say I'm optimistic that price is coming to take the liquidity at this relative equal lows. Let's see our 1-hour time frame. You could see this is a 1-hour time frame, and there's a fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap, and also there's you can see not some randomness. After price had traded into that 4-hour bearish order block, the delivery was onto this breaker on the 1-hour. Perfect delivery, not some randomness out there. So this is my anticipation now. Today is FOMC, so I'm expecting price to possibly trade into this order block or try to fill the fair value gap or midway into the fair value gap, and I want to see price trade in here and come to seek the sell side liquidity here, right? And ultimately, all things being equal, I want to see price take out this liquidity at these lows. But these are all projections, and these are my projections for British pounds USD. And if we check the 5 minutes chart, I would like to show us another block that is pushing price upwards. It's going to interest us to see. So this is the other block that pushed price, that is pushing price upwards, and I want us to take a look at it. This is it. Market traded into this other block, took out all the stops resting below this Asian low, below this consolidation, dipped into this is all called total soup entry, and you can see we're going bearish. So I'm anticipating the market coming to fill up this fair value gap, possibly into this other block. Or I'm also very much interested in this high to this low, right? I'm very much interested from this high to this low. I want to see price trade into this point or this point to give us optimum trade entry. And nevertheless, let's see how it goes. I'm watching my chart. As it is now, I'm still very much bearish for British pounds USD. There's lots of liquidity resting on the low. There's lots of liquidity resting on the bearish side of the market, and it's so enticing. So if you want to frame this other block to a 15 minutes chart, this is how it's going to be. So we don't know, but let's just watch and see. Let's watch and see what price has for us. Alright, this is my projections, and let's see how it goes. Guys. Let's see how it goes. Alright, I wish you all the very best. And today is FOMC, like I say. Trade carefully. We don't know what smart money's intentions are. We don't know what they have in mind to do, but we can only project, can only anticipate. So be very careful with your trades. And once price gets into this area of interest, I'll be looking for sell entries, targeting this sell side liquidity as my first target, and possibly everything being equal, price might seek for the liquidities at this relative equal lows. So that's all for now. I wish you all the very best and you have a great day. Thank you.